In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple languages to your Wix website step by step using Wix Multilingual. This is perfect if you want to reach a global audience, improve user experience for visitors from different countries, and make your website more professional and accessible. Whether you're running a business site, a portfolio, or a blog, adding multiple languages can make a huge difference. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Wix tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Wix.com. Make sure you're logged into the Wix account that manages the website you want to translate. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard where you can see all your sites. From here, select the site where you want to add multiple languages and click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. Now that the Wix editor is open, look at the left-hand side menu. Click on App Market. The App Market is where Wix provides official apps and third-party tools that add extra functionality to your website. Once the App Market opens, go to the search bar at the top and type in Multilingual. In the search results, look for Wix Multilingual. This is the official Wix app designed specifically to help you create and manage a multilingual website. Click on Wix Multilingual to open the app page. Here, you'll see an overview of what the app does and how it works. To continue, click the Install button. After installing the app, Wix will automatically open the Wix Multilingual Settings panel. This is where you configure the languages for your site. First, you'll see your primary language, which is the main language your website is currently using. Next, you'll have the option to add a secondary language. Click on Add Language and choose the language you want from the list. Wix supports many popular languages, so just select the one that fits your audience. Once you add a secondary language, Wix will prompt you to start setting it up. At this stage, Wix can automatically duplicate your existing pages, so you can translate them. Keep in mind that Wix does not automatically translate all content perfectly, so you'll want to manually review and edit the translations to make sure everything is accurate and sounds natural. Now go through your pages one by one and translate the text, buttons, menus, and other content into the new language. Wix Multilingual makes this easy by letting you switch between languages directly in the editor. Just select the language you want to edit, click on the text, and replace it with the translated version. You'll also notice that Wix automatically adds a language switcher to your site. This allows visitors to easily change languages while browsing a website. You can customize the design and position of this language switcher to match your site's layout and branding. Once you're happy with the translations and settings, click Preview to see how your multilingual site looks. Test switching between languages to make sure everything works correctly. If everything looks good, click Publish to make your changes live. And that's it. You've successfully added multiple languages to your Wix website using Wix Multilingual. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Wix and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.